Hey, what is going on guys, Techthusiast here, and this is a speed test comparison between the Google Pixel 3 XL against the Xiaomi Mi 8. Both of these phones have the Snapdragon 845 CPU, 4GB of RAM versus 6GB, a clean version of Android versus skin version of Android. Now with that being said, let's get started. Up first is the Google Pixel 3 XL. It has a Quad HD AMOLED display. It's on the latest version of Android 9 Pie. It has the Snapdragon 845 CPU and the Adreno 630 GPU and 4GB of RAM. Then we have the Xiaomi Mi 8. It has a 1080p AMOLED display. It's also on Android 9 Pie. It has the same Snapdragon 845 CPU and the Adreno 630 GPU and 6GB of RAM. Just before starting the test, you can see there are no apps and games running in the background. In round 1, the Mi 8 wins by 4 points. Moving on to round 2, the RAM management. Here you can see all of the apps and games are running in the background. So in round 2, the Mi 8 wins again, this time by 9 points. So that is the end of this speed test comparison, and here is a recap of the scores. In round 1, the Mi 8 won by 4 points. However, when it came to round 2, the Mi 8 won by a massive 9 points, and it also happens to be a perfect score. I don't know about you guys, but I believe 4GB of RAM in late 2018 isn't good enough, and there's only so much the software can do. As for the price difference between the two, the Mi 8 can be had less than the price of the Pixel 3 XL, and even in some cases a little less than the price you see here. Depending on where you buy it from, there could be import duty charges. What did you think of this speed test comparison? Do let me know in the comment section. Now if you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If it is your first time here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up, so make sure you have that bell notification enabled. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.